Karnataka PG MDS counseling is one of the most complex in India. Not because of the seat matrix, but because of the numerous clauses, penalties, and fee structures that directly impact your admission. In this video, we will cover A to Z: counseling process, eligibility clauses, penalties, high fee college realities, and the exact strategy you need to secure the best seat without making costly mistakes. 1. Counseling flow and rounds. The counseling is conducted by KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority, and includes Round 1. Document verification, option entry, and seat allotment. Round 2. Fresh option entry and seat upgradation. Mop-up round. Another chance for leftover seats. Stray vacancy round. Final option conducted directly by colleges. 2. Options after allotment. Choice 1 to 4. After a seat is allotted, students must choose from Choice 1. Accept the seat and confirm admission. No further rounds. Choice 2. Retain the seat and also try for an upgrade. Choice 3. Surrender the seat and re-enter next round. Choice 4. Quit counseling altogether. The risk here is very real. Choice 1 is binding. If you regret it later, withdrawal means heavy penalty. Choice 2 is safer, but fees still need to be paid. Choice 3 is risky. Once you surrender, there's no guarantee of a better seat later. 3. Eligibility clauses. A to Z simplified. Karnataka uses eligibility clauses to decide who qualifies for government quota seats and who only gets private NRI options. Clause A. Completed BDS in Karnataka, eligible for government plus private quota seats. Clause B. 10 years of schooling in Karnataka, including 10th or 12th plus BDS in Karnataka, eligible for government quota plus full reservation. Clause C. 10 years schooling in Karnataka but BDS from outside Karnataka, still eligible for government quota seats. Clause D. Parents are All India Service Officers of Karnataka cadre. Child studied outside, treated as domicile, government quota eligible. Clause E. Parent is central government or public sector undertaking employee with Karnataka declared hometown plus 10 years education, eligible for government quota. Clause F. Wards of defense personnel, Army/Navy/Air Force, serving in Karnataka, eligible for government quota. Clause G. Wards of CAPF/paramilitary personnel stationed in Karnataka, eligible for government quota. Clause H. Candidates from Kalyana Karnataka 371J region get special regional reservation benefit. Clause 5. NRI and minority students, eligible for NRI seats plus minority quota seats. Clause Z. Special migrated cases, eligible for limited special quota seats. Summary. Clause A to E equals strongest benefit, Gov quota plus reservation plus domicile. Clause F to H equals defense plus regional reservation advantage. Clause Y/Z equals restricted to NRI/minority/special quotas. 4. Penalties and bonds. Government seats, compulsory service bond after course completion or pay penalty. Private seats, if you surrender after allotment or leave mid-course, you pay huge penalties, often entire course fees. Clinical subjects, highest penalties compared to pre and paraclinical. One wrong choice can cost you lakhs. Counseling strategy. Analyze every round carefully. Check which colleges are releasing seats and where cutoffs are dropping. Don't wait till round 3 or mop up. You may lose good options. Best approach. Take a safe seat in round 1 or 2 and opt for upgradation. Only keep high fee colleges in your options if your budget is truly ready. Without a clear strategy, you will either get an unwanted branch or no seat at all. If you understand your clause, budget, and round strategy, you win. Our mission is to guide aspirants through the toughest counseling processes with clarity and facts. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Grammatical, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update.